Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print the transpose matrix in Java. Let's open my IntelliJ IDE. Here we need to create the project. Enter the project name. We got the project. Inside the SRC folder, we need to create the package. Inside this package, I will create the class. We got the class here. Now we need to write the code. I will write the main method. Now I will create the two arrays. I am giving my array initial size is 3 rows and 3 columns. I am creating another array. Now I am creating the scanner class object. Scanner class is to read the input from the keyboard. I need to read the input from the keyboard and I need to store that into the array. So I am giving one print statement. This for loop for the row. Next int method is to read the integer values. A scanner class reference I am using here. Scan.nextInt. It reads the input from the keyboard and store that into the array. Here I store the values into the array. Now I need to make this array as transpose. To make that transpose, I need to interchange the rows and columns of this array. Let's write that code. For into the another array, I am storing my old array by exchanging the rows and columns. This will give us a transpose matrix. Let's print these two arrays. Now we done with writing the code. Let's save this code. First I created the class and then I wrote the main method. Inside the main method I created two arrays. 3 cross 3 array means 3 rows and 3 columns. Then I created the scanner class object. Scanner class is to read the input from the keyboard and then I gave one print statement. User get to know that they need to enter the values into the array. Then I wrote the for loops. The first for loop is to iterate for the rows and then second for loop is for columns. Then scan.nextInt method will read the integer input and store that into the array. After that I am making my input matrix as a transpose matrix. To make that input matrix into the transpose matrix, I need to interchange my input matrix rows and columns, and I need to store that into the new matrix. After that, I am printing my both matrix. That's it. Let's run this project. We need to enter the values into the array now. See, we are getting the output here. This is, I enter that values and then my input matrix and the transpose matrix. We got the output.